We'll guide you through how to use Replit for vibe coding, creating a fun and interactive programming environment. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to replit.com. If you don't have an account yet, you need to sign up by clicking on the Create Account button at the top right corner. You can use your Google account for a quick sign-up, or enter your email and create a password. Once you're logged in, click on the Create Replit button. In the Template section, you'll see various programming languages and frameworks. For vibe coding, you might want to choose a language like JavaScript or Python, which are popular for interactive projects. Select your language and give your project a catchy name. After creating your repli, you'll be taken to the coding environment. On the left, you'll see your project files. The main coding area is in the center, and the console is at the bottom, where you can see outputs. Now, let's make it vibey. You can add libraries or packages to enhance your project. For example, if you're using JavaScript, click on the Packages tab on the sidebar and search for popular libraries like p5.js or tone.js for audio and visual effects. Click Install to add them to your project. Once your libraries are added, you can start coding your interactive elements. For instance, with p5.js, you can create visual sketches that respond to user inputs, or with tone.js, you can create audio experiences. Write your code in the main.js or script.js file, depending on your setup. To run your code, simply hit the Run button at the top of the screen. Your output will appear in the console or in the preview window on the right. You can edit and experiment as you go along. This setup allows you to quickly iterate and test your ideas in real time, perfect for vibe coding sessions. Don't forget to save your work often by clicking Save or using the shortcut Ctrl+S. You can also invite friends to collaborate by clicking on the Share button and sending them the link. Now you're all set to create some awesome vibe coding projects. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.